everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog, this gonna make a new unboxing for today, and also we got some new tech for today. So we've got a new tech. So I think you already know the thumbnail, and also you already know the thumbnail, and also the title of the video for today. So okay, here it goes, guys. So I've got some new, and I bought this from Pimo, right? So this is, yeah, a little bit heavy, right? So a little bit heavy. So I think this is the earbuds, my new additional collection of my earbuds. Okay, so let's go gonna have to check it out, this one. So what is the feature of this one, and also is this a good one? Okay, it does have a good quality of audio. Okay, let's go gonna check it. Okay. So okay, here it goes, guys. So let's go gonna open this up. So okay, let's go gonna open this one. Alright, and then yep, let's go gonna have to, oh okay, so that is why. So they have their own box, right? So they have their own box. And yep, this is a T20 earbuds. Oh, look at that, nice. Oh, I like it. I like this one. Okay, I like this one. So let's go gonna have to check this one. Okay, let's go gonna have to, okay, how to open this one over here, and yep, let's go gonna have to check that. They got a perfect box for this one. So speak globally, connect easily. Oh okay, what does that mean? So let's go gonna have to check the specification for this one. So we've got the wireless headset. What is this one? Wireless headset version. We've got the 5.4. Transmission distance is 10 meters. Battery capacity of 40 milliamp hours. Duration of use is about 4 to 5 hours. Okay, in headset, right? Charging time is about 1.5 hours headset. Input specification is, what is this one? 5 volts and 200 milliamp hours. Charging case specification, okay, we've got the battery capacity of 200 milliamp hours, charging time of about 1 hour, and also the charging parameter is 5 volts equals to 200 milliamp hours. So okay, let's go. I'm gonna have to check this out. So they got the full case over here. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up. Okay, all right, and yep, there we go. So why is it on reverse, right? So you have to look at that one. So okay, I'm gonna have to put it back on, and then let's go. Gonna have to put that like that over here. So okay, so here it goes. This we're gonna have to check it out. Okay, so we've got the user manual for the operating instructions, right? So we got the one-click instructions, Android QR code. Okay, I think they have an application. Okay, or the app store to download the app. Okay, they have the app. All right, so they have the app. Okay, oh, they get some big case over here. And what is this one? Yep, we've got a Type-C cable right over here. All right, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up, and ooh, they got some big case over here. Will you look at that? Oh, nice. Okay, this is so pure aesthetic, right? So I believe there is a, yep, there's what is this called? There's okay, yep, okay, there's no what is this one? So we've got the left and the right, so it is not charging it up, right? So yep, and then yes, you got that right. And they got also some, right over here. I'm gonna have to take that off. Okay, I'm gonna peel that off. So since this is the what is this called, display right over here, as you can see there's a display, right? Okay, there's a display. So I still, it's not charging, right? So it is not charged. So maybe there's a plastic on the charging port. Okay, there's no, yeah, there's no plastic, so let's go, gonna have to charge that up. All right, so let's go, gonna have to charge it up. And then yep, really nice. And also I really like this one, so let's go, gonna have to try to charge that up if it's gonna be charging. Okay, so okay, here it goes, guys. So it's already charging. Yep, it's 0%, right? And then yep, here it goes. Just the red to red, so it is not charging already. So I wonder why, that they didn't charge it up, right? So that we can test, it automatically, right? So yep, okay, so I'm gonna have to go back and I'm gonna have to take it off first, right? I'm gonna have to take it off. So I'm gonna take, it off. So I'm gonna have to put it into my ear, so if it's gonna be good, right? All right, so okay, here it goes, guys. So I'm gonna have to try to fit it into my ears, so if it's gonna be a good one also, right? So okay, right over here is, I think this is the right, or I think this is the right. Okay, this is the, yep, this is the right. All right, so let's go, gonna have to, put this on. Oh, what is that? Okay, okay, yep, this is the right, this is the right. Oh, yeah, okay, so that's one over here is also, yep, you can adjust this one, right, if you want to, right? So this is an adjustable, so I'm gonna have to put that one over here. So let's go, gonna have to put that. Okay, yep, so just like that one. Okay, yep, just like that one. Yep, so nice, okay, so I'm gonna have to try also the other one. Okay, let me, yep, and then just gonna have to, like that. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to test. Okay, let's go, gonna have to test this one. Okay, 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 so nice, also I really like this also, right? So it is to be charged. Okay, so I because the left is, the left is already playing, but this one is not, because it has to be in a fully charged mode. Okay, so I'm gonna have, so I also gonna have to make a follow-up video for this one. So I still have so many follow-up videos that I have bought, right? So I still have so many follow-up videos for that video, for that for that, right? So that I bought from the last time. Okay, so I still have more to come. So okay, just watch out for it. Okay, so because I'm gonna give, it's because I'm gonna have, yep, it's because I'm gonna have to give you some of my new tech here in my channel. It's also follow-up videos for reviews, okay, for the other tech that I have. Okay, so right, so I think that's it for this vlog, right? I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay.